Cartrack's devices are designed to be installed in minutes. Here's how to install the GPS unit. When you open your welcome package, you'll find the Cartrack unit, a zip tie, the specific cables for your vehicle, and your welcome cards. Associate the terminal number of the Cartrack unit with the number of the vehicle you're installing it in. Cartrack uses the license plate as the default vehicle name and can be updated after installation. This makes it easier to set up and name your vehicles on the Cartrack Cloud platform. With the vehicle engine off, locate the side panel of your vehicle and begin detaching the cover from the panel. The Cartrack cable has an OBD2 pass-through with a female and male side and a Molex connection. Identify the Molex side of the cable and click it in place to the unit. Use the zip tie to fasten the unit in a secure position. Then thread the cable through and connect the male side of the cable to the vehicle's diagnostic port. Ensure they are tightly connected. Your unit will now start transmitting data so you can track real-time GPS locations, harsh braking, speeding, and more. Log on to fleetweb-us.cartrack.com with the username and password provided in your welcome letter. You will now see your vehicle appear on the map view. You're now ready to start tracking your vehicle. Thank you for choosing Cartrack USA as your fleet management and telematics service provider. Call for additional support.